Welcome back to the channel, car lovers. Today we're stepping into pure American muscle history with an absolute legend, the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, finished in an aggressive and timeless black color. This car isn't just metal and rubber, it's an attitude, a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and raw V8 power from the golden era of muscle cars. The late 1970s were a challenging time for performance cars due to emissions rules, yet Pontiac managed to create something unforgettable. The 1977 Trans Am became an icon thanks to its bold styling, powerful presence, and pop culture fame. Whether you know it from classic car shows, old drag strips, or legendary movies, this car still turns heads today. So sit back, turn up the volume, and let's take a deep dive into the design, comfort, performance, and value of the black 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Exterior. The exterior of the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am is nothing short of dramatic, especially in black. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance instantly tell you this car means business. At the front, you're greeted by the signature split grille and quad headlights, giving the car a menacing, almost predatory look. The shaker hood scoop is one of the most famous features of the Trans Am, sitting proudly above the engine and literally shaking with the V8's heartbeat. It's not just for looks, it's a statement of power. The black paint amplifies every body line, making the curves look deeper and the edges sharper. Gold accents, including the legendary Screaming Chicken hood decal, add contrast and instantly identify this as a Trans Am and not just any Firebird. The fender vents, wide wheel arches, and aggressive front spoiler give the car a planted, muscular appearance even when standing still. From the side, the car looks low and sleek, with a roofline that flows smoothly into the rear. The classic alloy wheels wrapped in thick tires fill the arches perfectly, hinting at the grip and power underneath. At the rear, the wide taillights, integrated spoiler, and dual exhaust complete the look. The overall design is bold, unapologetic, and unmistakably American. Even decades later, the 1977 Trans Am still looks like it could dominate the street. Interior. Step inside the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, and you're transported back to a time when driving was an event, not just a commute. The interior is driver-focused, simple, and purposeful. The black cabin matches the exterior theme, creating a dark, sporty atmosphere that feels serious and performance-oriented. The bucket seats are wide and comfortable, designed more for cruising than hardcore racing, but they still provide decent support. Upholstery options varied, but many Trans Ams featured vinyl or cloth with distinctive patterns that scream 1970s style. The steering wheel is thick and sporty, fitting perfectly in your hands and giving you a direct connection to the road. The dashboard layout is straightforward, with large analog gauges that are easy to read at a glance. Speedometer, tachometer, fuel, oil pressure, and temperature gauges are all right where you want them. There's no unnecessary technology here, just the essentials. The center console houses the gear shifter, whether you chose the automatic or the manual, and everything feels mechanical and honest. Rear seats are present, but let's be real, they're best suited for short trips or extra storage. Trunk space is decent for a muscle car, making this a surprisingly usable classic. Overall, the interior of the 1977 Trans Am may not be luxurious by modern standards, but it offers character, comfort, and a pure driving experience that modern cars often lack. Performance. Under the hood is where the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am truly comes alive. During this era, performance numbers were lower compared to earlier muscle cars, but Pontiac still delivered strong V8 options. The most famous engine was the 6.6-liter V8, available in different versions depending on market and regulations. While horsepower figures might look modest on paper today, the torque delivery is where this car shines. Turn the key, and the V8 comes to life with a deep, rumbling exhaust note that sends chills down your spine. Acceleration is smooth and strong, especially at low to mid RPMs, making this car perfect for highway cruising and straight-line pulls. It's not about chasing lap times, it's about feeling the power and hearing the engine roar. The suspension is tuned more for comfort than razor-sharp handling, but it still provides a confident and stable ride. Steering is heavy by modern standards, yet it adds to the old-school muscle car charm. Braking performance is adequate for its time, though many owners upgrade brakes for modern driving conditions. On the road, the Trans Am feels big, powerful, and alive. You don't just drive it, you experience it. Every vibration, every sound, and every gear change reminds you that this is a machine built for emotion, not efficiency. Prices. When it comes to pricing, the 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am has become a highly desirable classic. Values depend heavily on condition, originality, engine option, and documentation. A project or driver quality example can be found at a more affordable range, while fully restored or well-preserved original cars command serious money. Black Trans Ams with correct decals, matching numbers engines, and clean interiors are especially sought after. Prices can range from moderate five figures for decent examples to much higher for show quality or historically significant cars. Compared to some earlier muscle cars, the 1977 Trans Am still offers strong value for collectors who want style, history, and presence without entering ultra-high price territory. Maintenance costs are reasonable for a classic V8, parts availability is good, and the strong enthusiast community makes ownership even more rewarding. As interest in classic American muscle continues to grow, the value of clean Trans Ams is expected to remain strong. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am in black is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. From its aggressive styling and rumbling V8 to its unmistakable road presence, this car represents everything people love about classic American muscle. It may not have modern technology or extreme performance figures, but what it delivers is soul, character, and pure driving enjoyment. If you're a collector, an enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates automotive history, the 1977 Trans Am deserves your respect. It's loud, bold, and unforgettable, just the way a muscle car should be. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what classic car you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.